Hello guys and gals, we're back with more Microsoft Sudoku and the daily to do for August 10th of 2023. Let's see what we got in store for us today. Let's see. We have 21 days left. 21 times 3 would be 63, which would get us to 90, and once we do these threes, that would be right. Now we have 3 mediums. So 1800 points maximum. Now we're just going to start with this one because it scares me the most. And we're back. So let's see, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks, 14 moves. Okay, well we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One move behind, I think. Let me see. Let me just see. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Just double checking to make sure my math is correct. Okay, so 3. Okay, 2 possible ways for 3. So 4 is the other option. This has to be a 4 right here. Okay, we're just going to mark that. We know that's a 4, that's a 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a 6. This has to be a 6 right here. So we're going to do that. Good. Okay, 7. Okay, we know this can't be a 7. This has to be a 7 right here. So we're just going to do that. This has to be an 8. So we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We need a 4, which has to be right here. This has to be a 4. Nice. Okay. So we need a 1. This can't be a 1, so this has to be an 8. Okay, and that means this has to be a 1. That's good to know. So, let's see. This was a 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has to be a 9. We might as well do it. There. Okay, let's see. This was a 3. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, and we're missing a 3. So, I see 2 possibilities for 3 here. Let's go ahead and mark those. 5. 5 is missing. Okay, so that means this has to be a 3. This has to be the 5 right here. So let's go ahead and mark this as 5. That means this has to be 9, 7, 6, 4, 3. This has to be 1 actually. So this is a 1. Okay. Let's see. We could break this if we wanted to. So let's go ahead and see here. And 1 isn't very helpful. Check 2s. I see 2 possibilities for 2 here. That's not great. Okay, let me see here. 6s. Let's check 6s. Okay, 6s are kind of helpful, kind of not helpful. Okay, I see 2 possibilities. Okay. Okay, so I see 2 possibilities for 3 here. Let's mark that. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are missing... Wait. We should be missing 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 3 right here. So we're missing 3, 8, 9. Okay, got it. This has to be an 8 up here. So that's 8. So this is 3939, I think. And that's 8. Okay. Yeah, what we're going to do is we are going to do this. Because we need to mark this as 8. There we go. So, let's see what else we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I see 2 possibilities for 4 here. Maybe we can work this out. Let's check 5s. This has to be a 5 right here. Okay. 6. This has to be a 6 right here. This has to be a 9. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We need 1. I see 2 possibilities for 1. Not great. 2, 3. Okay, we're missing a 4. Okay, well that's not great, but it will work. Okay, so what do we have here? We have 1. We need a 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 2, 7, 2, 7. Okay. That's not great. Huh. Well, we know what some of these are, so that's good. I don't remember what they are. Well, I remember this is a 1. Wait, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so there's 2 possibilities for 1 here. 2, 3. We need a 4. Okay, no we don't. 5. What? Oh. Wait. 5, 5. This has to be a 5 right here. Okay. Yes. 9. Right here. Okay. This was 1, I believe. 1. Oh, we need a 2. So this has to be a 2 right here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. If that's a 2, then we can get rid of the 2 here, and this is a 7, and that means we can get rid of the 7, and that's a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this has to be a 4 right here. Okay. Let's see if we can figure this out. 5. Okay, we know this can't be a 5 here, and that can't be a 5 there. This has to be a 5. And this is a 1. Got it. Okay, that wasn't too bad. That gets us 600, which is nice. Okay. I'll do this one next. I'm feeling lucky. 3 columns. Fewer than 3 mistakes. Go to the Greek. Gonna do some Greek columns. Let's see what we got. We have 1s. Boop. I thought Bed Bath & Beyond went out of business. Went out of business a long time ago, actually. At least the brick and mortar stores did. Rick and Morty stores. Let's see. 2. Ah, here's a 2. Let's see. 5. I see. This has to be a 5 right here. I'm okay with that. I didn't want that to happen. I don't know why it didn't work there. Okay. 8. We'll check 8s. Okay, 8s are kind of broken. Okay. So let's see. 2. Okay, so this has to be a 2 right here. If it okay, it's clicking everywhere. I want there. Okay, 2. 7, 8, 9, 6, 5. This has to be a 5. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, this has to be a 2 right here. 3, 4. This has to be a 4 right here. This has to be an 8. Okay. Let's see. 5. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What else? 6. Yes. This has to be a 3. This has to be the 6. And eventually we'll get to the columns. We're doing some rows now, looks like. 2. Boop, boop, and boop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. We'll mark them. 7, 8. 7, 8. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, where's 2? That's 2. 3. Ah, we've got a 3 right here. That's helpful. Let's check 4s. Doot. Doot. Okay, we have 4 right here. Let's go 5s. So, 5, 5, 5. Okay, this has to be a 5 right here. 7. Well, let's see. This has to be a 7 right here. 8. This has to be an 8 right here. And this has to be a 2. Okay, let's find out where the final 2 is. That has to be right here. We check 3s. Boop, boop, boop. This has to be a 3 right here. And then that means that boop, boop, shaboop. That goes right there. Let's check 5s. This has to be a 5 right here. And going down, this has to be a 5 right here. We check 6s. This has to be a 6 right here. Good. Okay. What else we got? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This has to be a 4. Okay. This has to be 1. Okay, and this has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has to be 8 or 9. Seriously, we can't solve this. Ah! This has to be an 8 right here, and this has to be a 9, and this has to be an 8 right here. There we go. Got it. Okay. Pretty sure Bed Bath & Beyond went out of business. I don't know, though. Pretty sure I saw a video about stores that went out of business, and Bed Bath & Beyond was one of them. Okay, well, let's say done. And we'll do the final one here, this medium. Medium. 3 rows. Okay. Well, it would have been easier if the other one was 3 rows, because we got 3 rows right away. Okay. 2. Okay, so I see 2 possibilities for 2 here, so let's go ahead and mark those, just so we know where they are. 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is the other option. Okay. So I'm thinking this could possibly be a 7, this could also possibly be a 7. Okay, we can work with that. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me check 2s. Let's see. 2. Okay, well, this could possibly be a 2 right here. 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's check 5s. I see 2 possibilities for 5 here. And then 7. Okay, I'm pretty sure that there has to be a 7, possibly a 7 there. This can't be anything but 5, though. So we have 2, 7, 2, 7. That's fine. Okay, that's helpful. Now, let's see. Let me check 1s. 1. Okay. It's decent. I see 3 possibilities for 1 here. It's okay. However, okay. Here's why this can't be a 1. It's because this can't be a 1 right here, meaning that one of these has to be 1. I don't know which one, but, there. 1 and 1. Okay, let's see. 2. Okay, let's see if we can figure out where the 2s are. I know where they're not, and that's the important thing. See this 2 here? It means that can't be a 2. So, it looks like we just have to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has to be a 7 then. Got it. Okay. Let's see what else we can learn here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. Let's check 6s. Okay. I see 2 possibilities for 6s here, which eliminates this right here as a possibility for 6, and this is a possibility for 6. So, it's looking like this goes like this. Nice. Okay, so what else can we do here? Let's see. 8. 8 is the another option. Checking 8s now. Okay, so this could possibly be an 8 right here. This could possibly be, no, this can't be an 8 right here because of the 8 right there. So you know this is a 6, and that this is an 8. Okay, so that tells me nothing much. Okay, let's check 7s. Maybe we'll get lucky with 7s here. Let's see. This and this are out. Okay, it looks like we have 2 possibilities for 7 right here. It isn't the end-all be-all, though, because this could possibly be a 7 also. So let's check 8s. Does 8s help us at all? No. Okay, this has to be an 8 right here. That was mildly helpful. So, okay. Given what we have here, we have 8 taking out this, 8 taking out this, 8 taking out this, 8 taking out this, but that means there's still 2 possibilities for 8 here. Nope, there's only 1. Okay, so this has to be an 8 right here. Okay, so finding the final 8. Okay, so if we look here, the 8 takes out this and this and this and this. Okay, what am I missing? Oh, and that. So this has to be an 8 right here. Okay, so let's see what else we got. I'm sure we'll solve this. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, checking 2s. 2, 1, 2. Let's check something else. Let's check 5s. Now this is interesting. Okay, this is very, very weird. Okay, this is looking like this has to be the 7 right here because of the 5. I'm gonna mark these as 5, but I smell something is different here. Something is weird. Because I know this can't be 5, this can't be 5. These has to be, this one of these has to be 5. So I'm confused by this. Okay, so try this one. Speaking of 1, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. So this could possibly be a 5, which could explain this. Well, no, wait. 5, 5. One of these has to be 5, so this can't be 5 right here. 6 right here, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this has to be 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. Okay, this has to be 1. We're gonna just do it. And that means this has to be a 2. Good. And that means this has to be a 1. Good. Okay, so that's fine. Now, what else? Oh. Aha, I was right. There we go. Now we have 5, 6, 5, 6. So, what's with this? 4. Okay. And 5. Okay, so I see. Okay, got it. Now this we can solve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this has to be a 9. We know that beyond the shadow of a doubt. Okay, now what about 1s? 1, 1. I see 2 possibilities for 1 here. Okay. Now, with this knowledge, we can learn a lot. Okay, so we can mark these as 1s. That eliminates this as a possibility for 1. This eliminates that as a possibility for 1. This eliminates that as a possibility for 1. That means that this has to be a 1 right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need 6. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else we can do here. Okay, we're only missing 2 numbers from here, one of which just happens to be 2. Okay. That can't be a 2 there. So we do have 2 possibilities for 2 right here. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me check 5s. Okay, well, there aren't any 5s here. There's no 5 here. Okay, what's missing here? 7. It looks like 7 is missing here. So this has to be a 7 right here. And that means this has to be a 2. Good. Okay, so now we can solve this easily. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This has to be a 5. There we go. Got it. Solved it. Stick a fork in it, it's done. Okay, that's 600 more. And there we go. Gets us over halfway, gets us the silver badge, and gets us a little ways into the gold badge. Cool. So, as you can see, we've done every single challenge today, we've done every single challenge this month, and that's going to do it for this video. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I upload. Also, if you want to support me in any way, or if you want to join the Discord server, all the information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. You are loved, and have a great day.